everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today I'm doing a lazy breakfast. So I've got my wok here, so it's handy to cook a load of stuff all at once. I've browned some bacon. I chopped 2 slices of bacon up into little pieces with my scissors and kitchen scissors, and I had some mushrooms there in the little tray left, so I rinsed them under the tap and chopped them up and cooked them for about 2-3 minutes. And then in a glass I mixed 3 eggs with a slosh of milk, and I've just thrown them in, so I'm waiting for them to cook. You could use sausages sliced up into little pieces, vegan sausages, tomatoes, hash browns, some bits of tinned potato. It doesn't necessarily have to be bacon or pork sausage. I opened a tin of beans, I know, with my hands, and I put half in a bowl. This is going to get put in the fridge, and the other half I've just microwaved now. You could split this between 2 people, so heat up a full tin of beans and have lashings of toast with it. It's just like an easy way of cooking some brekkie. Because when you just can't be bothered, you just think, oh yeah, I'll throw it all in one pan. So it's sort of like omelette meets scrambled egg sort of thing. Mix it all up. I told you I was a lazy cook. I'm not a chef, I'm just a mum cooking. I don't think you need to add salt because bacon or pork is salty enough. Okay, maybe there now. To spice it up, a bit of paprika or cayenne pepper would be nice, and maybe a bit of garlic. I didn't put any in today. I know you're flabbergasted, Kathy didn't put any garlic in, I know. You could use a dot of oil. I've used a knob of butter. I heated that up first, threw the bacon in, cooked that for a couple of minutes, threw the mushrooms in, cooked for another couple of minutes. Then I threw the eggy mixture in. You can leave the milk out if you want. I just put a little dot of milk to make the eggs go a bit further. Then cook it up and microwave some beans and maybe make a bit of toast. There you go. So that's all done. It looks a mess, but believe me, it tastes lovely. You can fling the beans over. I like them as a side rather than the whole thing. And I'm just going to yum that up now. Dead easy. Lazy person's breakfast. And please like, share and subscribe, and bye for now.